This lesson is on using frequency tables to evaluate spending. Example 1. Transportation expenses to and from work are considered essential expenses. Charlie Jane would like to reduce this essential expense by biking to work rather than taking her car. She found 30 different ads, both online and in print, for the make and model of bicycle that she wants to purchase. She made a list of the prices in ascending order, ranging from $250 to $350. She wants to analyze the prices, but is having trouble because there are so many numbers. How can she organize these prices in a helpful format? Wow, how will I ever make sense of this? There are too many numbers. I know. I will organize the data into a frequency distribution table. The first thing I need to do is create a table with two columns. On the left-hand side, I will put each unique bike price that shows up in the list. Meaning, if I see a number appear more than one time, I will only write it down once. So in my list, I see that there are two 250s, but I'm only going to write it once. I see that there are four 275s, but just like the 250, I will only write it once. And I will do this for each of the prices. So I have 250, 275, 280, 290, $310, $315, $320, $325, $330, $335, $340, and $350. These are each of the unique bike prices. Then, on the right-hand side, I will put the number of times each bike price shows up in the list. I can see that there are two 250s. There are four 275s. There is one 280. There are two 290s. There are five $310 bikes. There are six bikes at $315, one bike at $320, three at $325, one at $330, one at $335, one at $340, and there are three bikes at $350. I've just created a frequency distribution table. This is definitely a way more organized way to see all of the bike prices. Go ahead, pause the video now, and try this. There are many cell phone case options on the market. This discretionary item comes in a variety of colors, materials, thicknesses, protection levels, and more. Amit runs a small business that sells computer and phone accessories. He has kept the following inventory of cell phone cases for similar model phones. Construct a frequency distribution table for this data. Pause the video now and try it. Example 2. Find the mean of the bicycle prices in example 1. Let's go ahead and add another column to our frequency distribution table to help us find the sum of all the bike prices more easily. We know that in order to find the mean, we need to find the sum of all the prices and then divide by the number of prices. We know here that we have two bikes priced at $250. So the total price would be $500. 250 times 2 is 500. We know that we have four bikes priced at $275. So 275 times 4 is 1100. And we're going to do the same for each of these. 280 times 1, 280. 290 times 2, 580. 310 times 5, 1550. 315 times 6, 1890. 320 times 1, 320. 325 times 3, 975. 330 times 1, 330, 335 times 1, 335, 340 times 1, 340, and 350 times 3, or 1,050. To find the mean, I need to divide the sum of all the bike prices by the number of prices. So I will need to find the total of each column to help me. If I go ahead and I add 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3, I see that the total number of prices of the bikes are 30. So there are 30 bike prices. And if we remember from example 1, we know that Charlie Jane found 30 different ads for bikes. On the right-hand side, I'm going to find the total sum of all of those prices by adding 500, 1100, 280, 580, 1550, 1890, 320, 975, 330, 335, 340, and 1050. And that will give me 9,250. Now remember, the mean takes the total sum and divides by the number or frequency. So now that I have the total of all the prices and know that I have 30 different bike prices, I just need to divide. So the mean will equal 9,250 divided by 30. Using my calculator, I can see that this means on average, it's $308.333. But this is money, so I'm going to round to the nearest cent. So that is $308.33. I can see that on average, people are spending about $308.33 on a new bicycle. I will keep this in mind as I shop. Go ahead and get ready to pause the video and try this. There are many cell phone case options on the market. This discretionary item comes in a variety of colors, materials, thicknesses, protection levels, and more. Amit runs a small business that sells computer and phone accessories. He has kept the following inventory of cell phone cases for similar phone models. Find the mean of the cell phone case prices. Pause the video now and give it a try. Example 3. Find the mode of the bicycle prices in example 1. If we use our frequency distribution table, this will be very easy to do. The mode, if you don't remember, means the price that shows up the most frequently. So we will look at our frequencies. We see that the 250 occurs 2 times, the 275 occurs 4 times, and we will look at each of these until we find the one that has the highest number of frequency. I see 2, 4, 1, 2, 5, 6, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, and 3. And the number that shows up the most frequently is going to be the frequency of 6, right? That's our highest frequency. And so there are 6 bikes priced at $315. So we are going to say the mode is $315 because it has the greatest frequency, meaning Charlie Jane found the most ads with this price. I guess this just means that the most frequent amount spent on a bike is $315. I will consider this too as I bike shop. Go ahead, try this problem again, but this time find the mode of the cell phone case prices. Pause the video, give it a try. All right, for homework, you are going to be completing the airline seats problem. Airline flights can either be discretionary or essential. For most people, the price you pay for where you sit in the plane is a discretionary expense. The seat map for a particular flight is shown here. The seats in yellow are first class, and they go for $850. The seats in light blue are the deluxe premium seats, and they go for $540. The seats in dark blue are preferred plus, and they go for $400 each. The seats in pink are preferred, and they go for $320 each. And the seats in white are the economy seats, and they go for $280 each. There are a total of 149 seats on this flight. Construct a frequency distribution with column headings, seat type, price, and number of seats. If all of the seats were sold for this flight, what would be the total airline income for the seats? Then please determine the mean, the median, and mode for seat prices. Round each answer to the nearest cent. Good luck! When you have it finished, please submit your answer to Canvas.